Good evening. So today we are going to be baling this. So we're going to be putting it into the piles using the tractor and the turner. We've got this field over here to do. I've got Jackie to help me, and I've also got this little guy. And we're going to do that, and then once we've done it, we're going to swap over to the baler and get going with her. I've never used a baler yet. We've never used it since we got it, so it could be a hit or a miss, but we do love a challenge at Windfold. So yeah, let's get into it. What one? That one?
Depends on how big a piles that you want.
I don't know. That one? Yeah, it looks a bit like.
Mm-hmm.
Right, let's give this.
Depends on how big the baler is. Nice tidy piles though. It's not going to be great for either of our hay fever, to be honest. Quite nice stuff though.
So we've just literally stopped the tractor with the excitement of the first ever Windfold bale. Look at it. I've never been so chuffed with a bale in my life. Look at it. So the knotters are working. We had a few issues over here with one broke, but we think it was maybe because it was the old tow that was in it coming through, because the baler had been sitting for a while. So we've got the next one sitting in here. You can see it's tied. It's a little bit loose, to be honest, but I don't know how to adjust it, so I'm just going to leave it because it works, and then next time find out how to adjust it. I think it's something to do with the tensioner in here, but to be honest, like I say, I'm just happy that it works. So yeah, let's do the rest of the park. Hey Jax.
Yeah.
Look at it!
So we're just picking up the bales. It's 10:30 at night. We've still got a little bit on that part to do, but we kept running into some issues, so the shear bolt kept breaking on the tractor. But we've got all of this done, all of the park across the road done, and the tractor's still sitting there with the baler attached, if you can see. Just we'll have to get back to it tomorrow. We've kind of run out of daylight. But we've got there. It says we're just taking the bales up to the shed just in case it rains. So we'll be back.
So that's just baled all the hay, and we managed to get 75 bales. We've put them on these pallets just to kind of let them dry out a little bit for a couple of weeks, and yeah, we'll just see how they get on. There's a few, you can see that the string is not lined up properly, but yeah, so far so good, and we'll see if the animals actually like them. Bye bye.